Hello, we are back with some more delicious immune boosting recipes. What do we have today, Mama?
Papadam!
Ooh.
So if you like Indian food, papadam is delicious. I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so for that what we need is some garlic, about 4 cloves of garlic. You can put more if you like. And that of course your natural antibiotic. And then we have the ginger, which is absolutely amazing for you.
That's anti-inflammatory.
Anti-inflammatory.
One of the strongest anti-inflammatories out there. So if you're inflamed on the inside, your immune system has to go out after all that inflammation, which keeps you then, which makes you then get sick, right? Or you're more prone to getting sick and not being able to fight off viruses because your immune system's already overloaded with fighting off all the inflammation.
That's right. Okay, so we're gonna put I have 4 cups of water in here, so I'm going to put 2 cups in, and then the other 2 cups I put a little bit later. And then I'm going to put flaxseed. I soak the flaxseed for 4 hours, but you need to soak it inside the fridge because of the omega-3. You don't want to destroy it, so it has to stay cold, okay? So I soaked 1 cup.
Wow.
1 cup of flaxseed, you get like almost 2 cups.
Look at that, it's hard.
Yeah, it's like a gelatin.
Ooh, on that note, the gelatinous quality of flax and of chia actually is what will go into your gut and literally bind to all the toxins and pull them out of your gut. So this is a very great detoxifier. Flaxseed is also helps with lowering your blood sugar. So I get this in my diet as often as possible. I put it on my salad or in my smoothie. It's also shown to lower cholesterol, and I just learned about this, it prevents the buildup of plaque in your arteries. So imagine that is what causes your high blood pressure that can lead to a heart attack or a stroke if those arteries are clogged, right? Then the arteries going to your head, your brain is going to cause a stroke. The arteries going to your heart is going to cause a heart attack. So wonderful, wonderful thing to get in your diet. Flaxseed is really, really helpful. And of course the omega-3s. You don't have to squeeze fat out of a fish.
Omega-3, exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Ew. Why would you want to squeeze fat out of a fish?
Exactly.
You can get it right from flaxseed, so really helpful.
Then I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, which is loaded with your antioxidant, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, which is absolutely fantastic to remove toxicity from your body. It also makes your blood flow faster. That's how it unclog anything that's clogged in there. It just pushes it. It works basically just like Drano for a sink. When a sink is clogged, you put Drano, it's unclogged. Cayenne does the same thing.
Didn't you tell me once that if someone was having a heart attack?
That's right. If you experience someone having a heart attack in front of you, all you need to do is take 1 teaspoon of cayenne and mix it with lukewarm water.
Wow.
And get them to drink it. And you'll see that you saved their life just like that, because it would unclog that blockage.
It dilates the blood vessels, so it actually expands them so more blood can get through, and then that way you also get a lot more oxygen to all of your cells throughout your whole body.
Exactly. And then we have a curry powder, so we're going to use 1 tablespoon of curry powder.
Ooh, yummy. Oh, I learned about curry powder. Curry powder is antibacterial, it aids in digestion, and get this, it helps detoxify your liver. How cool is that?
That's right. And then I'm going to put the remaining 2 cups of water, so you have a total of 4 cups of water.
Now, why don't you put all of the water at once?
Because then the flaxseed would be at the bottom and won't allow the water to reach, you know, so that's why I mix it like that, so it's easy to blend.
Interesting.
All right, so now I'm going to blend the whole thing
Tricks
together
of the trade.
for 1 minute, okay? See what I'm talking about? So now it's blending nicely. Here we go. So this is your butter to make look how beautiful it is.
Wow, creamy.
So now we're going to transfer it into a bowl.
It's almost the consistency of like pancake mix.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And by the way, for those of you who don't know what papadam is, it's that little crispy, kind of flaky thing that you get served if you go to an Indian restaurant. Yeah, it looks like a tortilla, but it's Indian flavor. So yummy and delicious, but it's usually fried. So this is a great healthy way to get your papadam and your Indian fix, right? And lovely yummy snacks that's also really healthy for you.
Yeah, and we dehydrate it instead of frying it.
Yeah.
So it's considered to be raw.
Consider getting a dehydrator because that keeps the temperature low, below 115. Some people say even lower, 104. But the point is you want to cook or heat essentially your foods at a very low temperature because excess heat causes the denaturing of your enzymes, which are what helps you break down that food in your system.
That's correct.
Does that make sense? And it also will hurt and denature a lot of the vitamins and minerals. It kind of just weakens the whole. Yeah, as you can see, like you take a spinach fresh, and then the term is actually to wilt it. It looks like it's just a hanging, messy pile of mush. You actually really you destroy the food when you overcook it.
Yes. All right, so now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add my caraway seeds. It's also amazing, caraway seeds. Nikki, can you tell them the nutritional value of caraway seeds?
I don't think
You didn't take it down?
No.
Okay. It's really, really amazing. It's also loaded with your antioxidant. It's phenomenal for you. Anyway, so I mix in the caraway seed just the way it is. Just the way it is. And then I have one bunch of cilantro. Cilantro, it's really phenomenal for removing heavy metals out of your body.
So important.
It's fantastic. So cilantro and parsley does the same thing. You know, it just pulls out heavy metal. So very important.
You might tell that you have too many heavy metals if you have some brain fog, if you're lethargic, if you're losing a lot of weight. Those are all signs of heavy metal toxicity. Cilantro has an active compound that induces the production of specific enzymes that stop tumor formation and growth. Does that make sense? So it's actually anti-cancerous.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really, really good for you. And it's loaded with the antioxidant that you need.
Wow,
So
I mean, that looks
there we
yummy.
go. So as you see, I got the butter all nice and ready. Let me tilt it so you guys can see it. See how beautiful it is?
Beautiful.
And then I'm going to take a quarter cup or use a ladle or quarter cup, whatever you prefer, and put it on a dehydrator tray with the flax sheets. So I'll put one of them in, and now you can create any shape you want. So it can be circle, it can be it can be square, anything you want. So I like to make circles.
My trick is to just cover the whole sheet and then slice it into squares after, because I'm a bit more lazy. But Mommy makes pretty circles and it's really nice.
So you can do it like that too. So you see, that would be a circle.
Yeah, there you go.
You can see it.
Perfect, yeah, you can see it.
Okay, and or you can do what Nicola said and make a big sheets out of it. Okay, just spread it all around and then cut it when it's dry. Just cut it into pieces. Okay, so this is it.
Voila.
Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy it in good health, and you have to put it in the dehydrator for about 8 hours or until it's dry to the touch. And it has to be on a temperature of a 104. I never go above 104 because I don't want to destroy the enzyme.
Yeah, that's the safest bet.
Yeah.
What else? Do you just eat them as snacks, or do you put anything on them, or what?
You can eat it just like that, or you can dip it into hummus, tahini, any of the dips of your choice. It's just delicious.
Yeah.
You know, instead of French fries or potato chips, use that.
Wow,
It's
love
healthy.
that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Excellent.
All right, you guys.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Namaste.